So welcome to SMP MP campsite Batangas. So this is the front view of the sea beach, and then if you can see, there's a lot of preserved mangroves, and it's really eco-friendly kasi ang ganda ng water, green, and then with this a lot of preserved mangroves. So meron siyang tulay going to the area. So this is gonna be us going to the area or to the location, which is like 4 hours away from Manila City. So kasama ko ngayon ay mga kasama ko sa work, colleagues, teammates, kasi gagawin namin is have a banding. At dahil nagutom nga mga amigo ang mga tao, so dumaan kami muna sa Jollibee. So this is gonna be our first stopover. Mag-order ng foods or take out foods para may makakain habang nasa biyahe. And eto na nga, andito na tayo sa counter para lang magbayad ng ating order, and we'll just wait for a little bit. And so wala pa kami dito mga tulog talaga kasi galing pa kami ng work and diretso na dito. So ayan, dahil bangag and gutom, so kailangan bumorder ng food. Yung mga mukha namin, diba? Hi guys, welcome to SMP. I'll show you around afterward, guys. So this is gonna be the front view, and this is Arvin, Haziti, and that's the water out there. Is their parking lot here, and I'll show you a little bit afterward. So hello.
Anong pangalan ng Jowa Bells mo?
Ayan, SMP MP campsite. Ito po yung mga services nila.
Sino pa guys? Sino pa?
Ayan, let's go. Ayan guys, mga mangrove nila, oh. Super lucky ng mga mangroves ay. So let's get into it. Ayan. So yes guys, tingnan yung water. The water really clear kasi protected siya dito. Ayan, hello. And this is it. Ay, diba? Ay, sarap. Shit. Hey guys, what's up? Tapos, ayan, oh, may marami pa mga fish yun na malalaki. Ang maliliit, oh. Yarn. And this. Ayan. Let's go. May mga mangroves talaga dito guys. Ganda. Ayan. And pwede dito Why do I heard something? Pwede mag-camping. So, dito. And kung meron kayong mga tent, pwede kayo magdala ng tent nyo and then mag-set up lang kayo ng tent dito. And this is it. So I'm actually just wearing my Crocs, then white pants. Ayan. See ya! Ito na yung pagpasok dito, banda. As you can see, may mga tents. Alright, see ya guys. I'll show you around where to go. Oh, they have also like dirty kitchens here. Look, dirty kitchens. Yan. And they have like tents. I love it. Yeah. Oh, meron din naman pala ditong story. And that's the water. They're doing some activity. They're actually doing some activities here. And Kamot Pusa! Guys, welcome to Bahay Kamot. Kamot Pusa. Bahay Kamot. Ganda, super. Kaya nga eh. Worth it. Dito they have like that scenery. I love it. Hey guys. That's the water po mga amigo. Look at that.
Hindi at saka si Earth.
Si TV kasi dapat nilalasing ko eh.
Ang TV. TV, nagsaka sa mga dito dali. Ay, ganyan.
Yeah. Naiyak ko talaga si TV.
So ayan guys, ito po yung dito po yung mga cottages namin, and dito po yung rent namin, dalawang cottage, caravan. This is me editing videos, and then these are the tents in the front. Some are still drinking, and at the very end, at the very latter part there, meron ding mga tents, marami. Meron naman din dito convenience store na para lang sa mga campers. And yeah, so I'll do more vlogs in the morning, so see ya. Ayan, kainan na, breakfast. Mga tents. Oh, shit. And, ayan, wala nang water, guys. Kasi low tide. Yung water hanggang dito yan, pag sa gabi. Ngayon, low tide, yun siya. This is me. Ganda, shoot. Hindi ako ng photo. So ayun guys, ang ganda. Background. Antok pa ako. Super. Ito, tingnan nyo. Yan. Yun guys, lakad-lakad lang kami sa seashore. Yan. Shoot, ang ganda.
Di ako makapag-charge eh. Bakit? Charger ako kaso yung dalawa lagi.
Ayan guys, ang ganda. Guys, let's go. Ayun, nice. Oh, ayan, yung white mo. Yung sa akin din eh. Yeah, nice. Then we have like the vests.
Tingnan nyo, bida-bida. Ay kuya, ikaw po yung
Ayan guys, meron kami dito vests and the cottage, floating cottage. So dito kami kakain at saka mag-island hopping. Bon voyage! Ayun, sarap ng hangin. Ayan sa taas yung vlogger. Naba-vlog yan. Butterfly. Hi! Sayonara! Let's go! Ito na yan, ayos kami lang. Yellow combination. Diba? Galing na ko. So ayan guys, it's my time to climb up here because aray. Ay sorry. Ay shit, ang ganda ng view. Nang tinitingnan ko pala. Okay ka na? Ayan. Ayan, yung sigarilyo namin dyan binili, 4.50. Bilis, mahal. Ha? Ikot.
Ha? Kinakain ba to? Saan? Ikaw. Tanga, hindi to kinakain. Ano niya to?
Crab yan eh.
Oo, kinakain niya yung kinakain niya.
Yan yung food nila. So yun guys, ayan. Ano naman kasi itong lahat binigay?
Ay, wait lang.
Bakit?
I-gcash niya lahat sa kanya or ano, sa kanya?
Kaya ako sukat din.
So ayan guys, uwi na kami. See you Manila.